Right now, everything around you feels solid. Your phone, the floor, beneath your feet. But according to modern physics, almost none of it is truly solid. At the smallest scale of reality, matter is mostly empty space. Atoms are not tiny solid balls. They are made of particles surrounded by vast gaps of nothingness. If all that empty space were removed, every human on Earth could fit into something the size of a sugar cube. So, why does the world feel solid to us? The answer is not matter. It is force. Invisible interactions between particles create resistance. When you touch a table, your hand is not meeting solid matter. It is meeting electromagnetic forces that prevent the particles from passing through each other. At the quantum level, reality becomes even stranger. Particles do not behave like solid objects. They behave more like probabilities. They do not have precise positions. Until they are observed or measured, this does not mean the world is fake. It means it is deeper than it appears. What feels solid is actually a delicate balance of energy, motion, and force. The universe is stable, but not rigid, and this is only the beginning of how strange reality truly is.